What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to episode 3 of the What to Expect When Going Solar series. Today I'm going to be talking about the engineering and project management workflow. Now that we've completed your site assessment and you've qualified for financing, it's time for our engineering and project management teams to get to work. They use AutoCAD to perform the panel layout, draw the electrical diagram, prepare the bill of materials, and certify the plan set with structural and electrical professional engineering stamps. If anything's changed from the original agreement, we'll let you know right away so we can work through the changes and reach a mutually acceptable solution. Now that we're all on the same page, our project management team will use the finalized plan sets to secure city HOA and utility approvals. The project delivery cycle is typically 45 to 60 days and can take up to 90 when a battery system's involved. We pride ourselves on striving for excellence to provide you the most seamless and enhanced customer experience and project delivery cycle through a local 5-star company. Stick around to video 4, where we'll be taking you to a live solar and storage install to check out all the nitty-gritties. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video if you enjoyed the content, share this with your friends and family, leave any of your comments below. I'm Abdalla. I'll see you in the next video.